Today I'm going to be talking about my science fair project. My topic is evaporating liquids. My question was, does water, orange juice, vinegar, nail polish remover, and olive oil affect its evaporation rate? The first thing I'm going to be talking about is my hypothesis. My hypothesis was that if the water is a thin liquid, then it will evaporate faster than the other liquids. And because water has hydrogen and oxygen, and that's why I think it will evaporate faster. The second thing I'm going to be talking my variables. The independent variable was the use of the liquids. The dependent variable was the rate of evaporation. The control variable was the volume of each liquid, and the constant variable was the room temperature and the amount of liquids. The third thing I'm going to be talking about is my materials. My materials were olive oil, orange juice, water, nail polish remover, vinegar, pen and paper to write, and camera, notebook, and measurement cups. The fourth thing I'm going to be talking about is my procedure. The first thing I did was to put the liquids in the measurement cups. The second thing I wanted to do was to identify the liquids. The third that I wanted to do is to set the container at room temperature. And the fourth was to look for levels of the liquids for 7 days. The fifth was to collect data and notes. The sixth was to take notes and pictures. And the seventh was to repeat steps 1 through 5 trials. The last thing I'm going to be talking about is my results. My results, and I talked about my results. That my hypothesis was incorrect. That water did not evaporate the fastest. It was nail polish remover. And here are some photos of the results and where I put some of the liquids. And there's the conclusion down there. So, and I selected this experiment to see how the liquids evaporated for this experiment. My abstract was to investigate what was the evaporation, like the rate of different liquids. And yeah, that is my project.